The 2023 Mazda CX-50 looks awesome. Not only is it awesome, but it's also affordable. And Mazda is doing something great with luxury, folks. They're making it affordable. Now, a few mainstream vehicles like the CX-5, there's a perfect combination between design and premium interior, and also has thrilling driving dynamics. Now, Mazda introduced this rugged version that's going to be challenging the Subaru Forester. Now, the 2023 Mazda CX-50 production is at a new Mazda Toyota Manufacturing facility in Alabama. Now, this looks awesome, folks, and what an awesome combination. The basic X50 2.5S is going to be at $26,800. And with the $1,225 destination fee, it's going to be $900 more expensive than the CX-5. The CX-5 and the CX-50 has a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing about 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. Now, power goes through that 6-speed automatic transmission with the standard I-Active all-wheel drive system. Now, the CX-50 also includes the Mazda Intelligent Drive Select system, known as MI Drive, with sport, off-road, and towing modes. That's only on select packages, folks. Now, standard, the CX-50 is going to come with the 8.8-inch display in the interior. Audio system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, remote keyless entry, push-button start, 7-inch TFT instrument cluster display. Standard safety equipment includes city braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, driver attention alert, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and rear cross traffic alert. The 2.5S Select is $28,200. Get the dual zone climate, automatic climate control, rear passenger vents, leather wrapped shifter steering wheel, LED interior lighting, 40/60 split folding seats, a 10.25-inch color center display, HD radio, black wheels. 2.5S, which is preferred, gets a few more features, and that's going to be $29,500. Heated mirrors, heated seats, 8-way driver seats, front, rear, center armrest with storage, power rear liftgate. Now, the Mazda first ever Panoramic Roof, you're going to have to pay a little bit more. That's $31,940. But I tell you what, man, this SUV is just spectacular, folks. I mean, the steering wheel and everything inside of it just looks fantastic. Now, the 2.5S Premium package and the 2.5S Premium Plus are the most luxurious versions. For $34,400 and $36,400, respectively, so that's a $2,000 difference. The Premium package adds the Bose 12 speaker premium audio system, auto dimming rear view mirrors, 6-way power adjustable front passenger seat, leather sitting surfaces in black, and the all-new terracotta color. Now, the Premium Plus package takes the luxury even farther with the 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, automatic power folding mirrors, which is just awesome. When you don't have that, you hate going through car washes. Ventilated front seats, which is just spectacular. Now, if you want more, the CX-50 2.5 Turbo, $36,400. You're talking about 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. That is awesome. But you have to use the premium 93 octane gas, which is going to cost you an arm and a leg. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.